Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you all about digital marketing. So you must have heard about this digital marketing term in the past 3 4 years very much, and you must be wondering what exactly digital marketing is. So you have come to the right place to get all the information about digital marketing. I'll be starting a series of videos all about digital marketing, what are the various terms associated with it, how you can learn it, and how you can get a high paying job in digital marketing. So let me introduce myself. My name is Siji Varghese. I am the CEO founder for Digisas Private Limited and Postcard.com. I'm certified by Google. I've got 17 plus Google certifications. I'm also a motivational speaker and I've taught 28,000 plus students so far in the area of digital marketing. So my company name is Digisas Private Limited. We are experts in SEO, SMM, SEM, designing and branding, mobile application development. We do field marketing and business consulting also, and we make the coolest websites out there in the market. And we have been in this field for 3 years plus. And some of our recent project are Gold Gym, Anytime Fitness, Cheesiano Pizza, Greenfield Garden Restaurant, Arky's Born Baker, Neapolitan Pizza, Missile Cafe, and Rainbow Realtors. And we have 300 plus clients, and we are counting. And we have clients all across UK, US, Dubai, Paris, and Australia and Maldives. We have also associated with some of the Marathi superstars like Ankush Chaudhary and Prasad Oak and famous Marathi director Prashant Girkar. And we have conducted more than 90 plus workshops in various colleges. This is the photo at Balaji Institute of Modern Management, Pune. Again at Balaji Institute of International Business. We have conducted there 16 batches in 2018, and we are the expert guest faculty for 2019 for the newly introduced subject digital marketing and social media. We have conducted 8 plus batches for exclusively for women at Cummins Engineering College. And we are always conducting workshops at Singar Institute of Management. We do it practically. We do it practically. Everything is taught practically there. And we have also done with IBMR Pune. It was 2 days of workshop. We have MOUs with various colleges like Matrix School of Management Studies. So it's the memorandum of understanding with the colleges that we would be teaching every year digital marketing to them. And Singapore College of Engineering, this is my college where I passed out from, and it's a privilege to go there and teach the students again. They get the certifications after attending the practical workshop. This was the jam packed session at VIT College, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune. So you name any A grade colleges, we have been there, done there, and taught so many people. This was at Indira Global Business School, and again at Indira College of Engineering and Management, one of the premier institutes in Pune. So we have taught around like 28,000 plus students, and we are still counting day by day. So let's see what we are going to learn in this video. First, we'll be seeing about introduction to digital marketing. Then why should we use digital marketing? Then third topic would be strategies that are applied in digital marketing. Then what are the opportunities you will get after learning digital marketing, and Google certifications in digital marketing. Do watch the video till the end because I'll be telling you how to learn digital marketing practically. See, learning through video is great. You will understand the concept, but digital marketing is something you should learn practically. I always advocate that you should learn digital marketing practically. So watch the video till the end to understand how you can learn digital marketing practically. So let's see the introduction to digital marketing. Okay. So, what is the definition of digital marketing? Let me read something that is written on the slide, and then I'll explain something in very plain English. Digital marketing is simply a marketing technique that utilizes electronic devices and internet to create an outreach to potential customer. There is something written in the English. Let me tell you in very plain language. For something to be called digital marketing, there should exist two entities. The first one is electronic devices, and the second one is, yes, you guessed it right, internet. Yes. So electronic devices and internet, if we combine these both and reach potential customer or unknown customers, then it is called digital marketing. So I hope you will remember this term. Always remember that in digital marketing there are two terms, there are two entities which should be combined so as to call digital marketing, that is electronic devices and internet, and when we combine these both to reach potential customer, that is called digital marketing. So, what are the various forms of digital marketing? What are the electronic devices? We'll see in the next slides. So, what are the electronic devices where you see digital marketing? Those are your tablets, okay, then your smartphones, then your laptop, then the computer, the desktop PC. There are some new devices which are included in digital marketing. Those are your smart watches like iWatch or Samsung's watches. These are the smart watches where you can also utilize digital marketing. Then there are virtual reality headsets. Okay, virtual reality headsets. In future also we'll be seeing a lot many of these devices. People wearing these devices. My prediction is around like 2025 or something. These VR headsets would be easily accessible to everyone, and we'll be heavily utilizing digital marketing on this technology. There is one device which is part of traditional marketing and it is now included in digital marketing, is smart TVs. Yes, because it has internet, smart TV is capable of playing Netflix, YouTube, Facebook, and other applications. So that's why this smart TV is included in digital marketing. All the traditional TVs are included in the traditional media because absence of internet is there. So as per the definition, it fits the criteria that it is an electronic device and it also has internet capability. So what is the digital marketing structure? So if you can see under digital marketing structure, there are websites, okay, like Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, Jabong, Mintra, Facebook, all the creative and functional websites, whichever you use, they are the part of digital marketing structure. Then second part is search engines. Yes, Google, Bing, Yahoo, whatever search engines you use for searching, those are also part of digital marketing. There are various search engines, other search engines like DuckDuckGo, Ask Me, but they have very relatively low market share. Google has the majority of the market share in search engines. Then there are mobile applications. So mobile applications which you regularly interact with on the smartphone, like WhatsApp, Tinder, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, all these applications which you regularly interact with are the mobile applications, which is also part of digital marketing. Then comes social media. Under social media, you can see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, then Snapchat is there, LinkedIn is there. All this social media comprises under digital marketing. You must have also observed that whenever you search anything on Google, automatically ads of that product would be coming on social media like Facebook, like Amazon, Jabong, Mintra. All those ads would be targeting what you have searched. Yes, this is exactly the benefit of digital marketing, that personalized targeting can happen over social media. So if suppose, for example, if you're searching for headphones on Google or searching actively looking to buy for headphones, you'll be automatically seeing the ads on Facebook about headphone products, various kinds of headphone products and their prices by Amazon. You must have always observed this. So this is cookie based advertising or retargeting, or you can call that as personalized ad. And then comes email marketing. Okay, then comes email marketing. For example, you must have received mails from Dr. Batra all the time in your promotions tab. Yes. So nowadays, email marketing has evolved into creative visual email marketing. You must have seen that instead of text based, there are so many images, GIF, and videos used in emails. You can open your promotion tab right now in the Gmail section and see that how many mails are there in the promotion tab. And there are quizzes that lead to the sale, and there is report and analytics attached to digital marketing. So, how digital marketing is different from traditional marketing? Under traditional marketing, there are newspapers, which you must have read: Times of India, Indian Express, the Sun Herald, Financial Express. Then there is Business Standard. All this kind of newspaper is in the traditional marketing. You must have seen big ads in that newspaper. So that is traditional marketing. Second ones are big billboards. You must have seen on the highways or nearby your location that there is big billboards there wherein people advertise. This is very costly, and we this is temporary thing which we have to pay to the billboard owners to show our ad. Then you must have seen the ads on TV. So suppose I say some famous jingles like "Isko laga dala to life jinga lala." You guessed it right. It is for Tata Sky. Yes. And then "Aaj kuch tufani karte hain." Right. So it is for thumbs up. Yes. So such kind of memorable ads you always remember. Then comes posters. You must have seen posters, like various posters that is stuck on the wall. Then comes brochures. You must have received brochures while you are getting admission for colleges, or any product brochures or anything specifications related to it. Those are also part of traditional marketing. Then the traditional marketing also comprises of radio advertisements. So you must have observed that whenever you are listening to any FM channel, the ads are too many. So in span of half hour, you can only listen to two of the songs. Earlier, there was like 4 5 years ago, you can hear around like 3 to 4 songs, but now the span of ads have increased, and you can only listen to very few songs in a span of half hour. Then comes flyers. Yes, flyers are also part of traditional marketing. Flyers are the thing which you must have received outside your college or in the mall. Those contain short information about some offers or anything related to that. And what do you do when you get flyers? Yes, we all become aeronautical engineers and try to fly it away like this. Exactly. So let me compare digital marketing and traditional marketing. There are some parameters for comparison. First is client engagement. That means feedback from the clients. In traditional media, the feedback from the clients is none. You never know that if they have loved your ad, they have liked your ad, or anything like that. You never get the feedback from the clients. But in digital media, it is automatic, it is very high. Why? Because there is like, subscribe, share, comment, all these kinds of buttons are there, and instant feedback is there. Then, second parameter is cost. Yes, traditional media, the cost is very high. In digital media, the cost is very low. I can run my ads in as low as 70 rupees, but to shell out, I have to shell out a huge amount of money to run traditional marketing ads. Yes. Third point is how many people can see your ads potentially. There is limited number of people who would be seeing your ads, hundreds and thousands of people. Suppose I give an example of paper, newspaper. So wherever the paper is getting distributed, people will only see the ads. Suppose I'm distributing flyer, the people, the persons who are receiving my flyer would only see the ads based on that. Wherever the frequency of FM radio is there, only those people would be listening to my ads. But through digital media, it is millions and billions of people. Yes, because of internet, the connection, you can reach to worldwide audience. We are sitting in Pune and running our campaigns for our clients based in Australia, Maldives, UK, US. Globally, we are running our digital marketing campaigns for all these clients sitting in Pune. Yes. The next point is quantifiable. How will you know that how many people have seen your ads? In traditional media, it is, you cannot never know that if they have loved it, the ad, or how many people have seen the ads, or is it male, is it female, from where they have seen these ads. You will never come to know about this. But in digital media, you will exactly get the figures. Yes, suppose if I say that 300 23 people have clicked like on the ad. That is the exact figure. Suppose I say that 30,230 people have seen this ads. Out of that, 15,000 were women's. Okay, so I can exactly know, understand what my target audience is, what is my demographics who have seen those ads. So it is completely quantifiable. And the last point is ROI, return on investment. Yes, is it possible to calculate return on investment? Suppose I'll give you an example. I publish an ad on the third page of Times of India. Is it possible for me to calculate that how much I have invested and how much I have got in return? No, it is not at all possible. That I cannot know that how many people have seen those ads and purchase. But suppose on digital media, on Facebook, I run an ad that an X amount Puma shoes are available on Mintra. Okay, so 100 people have seen that ads, okay, 60 people have clicked on that ad, and 20 people have purchased that ad. So I can easily calculate what was my ad costing, and I can easily calculate that how much return on investment I've got through my ad campaigns on digital marketing. Yes, and the shelf life of traditional media is very limited. If suppose I give you the example of newspaper, it's hardly a shelf life of probably 1 hour or 2 hour. You never revisit your newspaper again, since once you have read it, okay, you just throw it away. Same goes for flyers, okay, you just read it for only one time and you just throw it. But for digital media, it is forever. Okay, digital footprints are always there. You can retarget the audience again using digital media. In traditional media, once you have printed something, you have to reprint in order to change something. But in digital media, you can change dynamically. You can show personal ads based on personal preferences. So you don't, there is nothing called reprint in digital media. You can change your content dynamically. Okay. Hey guys, hope you loved the first video. Thank you for watching, and do wait for the next video in which I'll be discussing more about digital marketing forms and strategies and opportunities. Press the subscribe and the bell icon so that you get the instant notification for the next video. And also leave your comments in the comment section, and which all topic you would love me to cover. Thank you everyone.